Hey y'all, hey y'all. It's DJ the Diva here. And just before I go out, I wanted to peep you guys out on my little game here, my head wrap game. I am embarking on this head wrap journey, honey. I'm loving it. I've got me numerous scarves and fabric because this is going to be my protective style. Got to protect that scalp from getting irritated and, you know, protect my locks from them nasty winds. My grandmother always said, protect your hair. Cover your hair and keep it protected when outside from November to March, honey. So, I do take her advice because, as you can see, oh, goodness. Um, I'm a grandmother, a multi-grandmother, and it's doing well for me. The advice she's given me on skin and just everyday life things, it's doing well for me. So I wanted to show you guys the head wrap. Let me see if I can go around without touching the camera so you guys can see. I don't know if you guys can see, but the head wrap game is on and I'm loving every bit of it. Turn you around so you can see. Can you see my look in the mirror today? I just have, let me move this a little bit. I just have like leggings, my little Ugg-like boots, a sweatshirt, my head wrap. Yeah, so that is my look for today. It's my look. Boom. Easy peasy, work attire, comfortable boots, sweatshirt to keep my upper body warm, and of course my trusty leggings. But I wanted to call your attention to my head wrap, and I will be rocking them throughout the entire season. Yeah, even probably beyond, because when I go on vacations and stuff, I will be wearing my head wraps, so I love them. I think they're chic. Even though I have locks, I do believe in protective styling still, because you still have to protect, it's still hair. You have to protect your hair. You have to protect your scalp, and I'm protecting my hair and scalp from the harsh winter winds, which is going to make me retain length and keep my scalp healthy, moisturized, and unirritated. Non-irritated, I should say. Yeah, but I am calling it a day. I must get to work. I must. So, love you guys to life. Act blessed, talk blessed, walk blessed, and be a blessing to who? Be a blessing to the Lord by blessing somebody else. Please click that like and subscribe button, and you guys be safe on them streets. And another thing, if you guys do head wraps, please comment below, and I'll come visit your channel and we can discuss head wraps and other things. All right, you guys be blessed. DJ the Diva, I'm out.